What's up everybody, it's Handy Danny, and I have a video for you today. So we have this double closet door here, and you see this door doesn't shut all the way, and typically there's a little ball at the very top, and the reason it's not closing is because the ball needs to be adjusted. So you can either come up here, you can work with the ball up here, or you can just pull this thing out right here. And as you see when I pull it out, the door closes nice and easy, right? So here's this little ball right here, and all you do is you take a flathead screwdriver and you stick it in there and you turn this thing. It's like said such, counterclockwise, I think. I've dropped the ball. Now I'm gonna take the ball and stick it back into the door. All right, and you see it closes and latches nice and easy. So let me move the ladder out the way. As you can see here, everything's working properly. So if your door is sticky, 90% of the time, that's the issue. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.